Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to do like a good professional email. So first you're going to want to click compose and you're going to type who you want it to. So I'm just going to do it to myself. And this right here is carbon copy and this is blind carbon copy. And then for subject, you're going to want like what your email is about, but like very short. So I'm going to do group project. And once I do that, I'm going to start with a greeting. So I'm going to just say, hello, Janie. This. And then this part is the main, like, part. So the body text. And you're going to want to make sure you have good grammar. And you're going to check your spelling. So I'm going to say, this is a reminder that our project is due in 2 days. I'm just having it short, and then you're gonna wanna go have a closing, so you can say like thank you, have a great day, cheers, sincerely, etc. So I'm just gonna say thank you, and then I'm gonna say it's from me. And there you can have like font styles and colors, and then when you click send right here, you can like just send it, or if you click this right here, you can like put like when you want to send it. And yeah. And you also want to make sure you check your email at least once a day, because you might need important like emails that you need to know. So that would be good, and you can click send.